Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to make coffee soap. You will need some soap base. Our soap base main ingredients are coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, glycerin and other environmental friendly ingredients. It does not contain SLS, SLES and paraben. You also need coffee ground and silicone mold of your choice. You can use double boil method, microwave or oven. In this video, I'm going to use oven to melt the soap base. Once the soap base melted, you can start adding the coffee ground and stir it until it is well mixed. You can then pour it into the silicone mold of your choice. And let it sit until it is cool and hardened. Pop them out from the mold and it's ready to use. This handmade coffee soap is perfect for exfoliating the body, especially dry areas like feet and elbows. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel.